Peace guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are doing the Friday night race 2 days late, sorry. But we got Dad's cars lined up and my cars. And then we're doing a halftime show between the B mains and the A mains of all of my Jeff Gordon cars. This one I customized when I was little. So as you can see, this side is completely Jeff Gordon. This side is scraped off whiteout and stuff all over it. So it's Jeff Gordon car. I'm counting it. And it's going to be in the race. All of these cars are the Jeff Gordon cars that are going to be racing. I think this is the most rare one I have. Rare. Probably the most rare right here. Probably the coolest one because it's his last ride car that he ran at Homestead last year. And then I have his Rainbow Warrior Original and Throwback. So now, guys, I'm going to straighten the track because it's a little crooked. And they're good at.
All right.
So it's already rolling and everything. So thanks to Dad for setting up the track. Alright. So, pick your first car, say one.
I'm gonna let you pick,
Alright.
and that way I got the camera ready to go.
1, 2, 3. I pick three of my cars. 1, 2, and 3.
All right. Looks like we're ready to get things started.
So I'm gonna be laying.
Tell us what we've got on the track, Nate.
3.
So everybody knows.
Second. Lanes 4, 5, and 6.
We're gonna start trying to have some other angles here soon when we get our cameras situated. But for tonight, we're just gonna have a straight on view.
All right. So lane 1, we have a 2018 Copo Camaro race car, just a fantasy car. I'm not sure what it's called. Datsun 240Z, another fantasy car, Camaro police car, and a 1972 Chevy Love. So let's get these guys started.
All right, guys, here we go.
Go. We're gonna do a react because lanes, see. 3 and 4 did not go. So.
All right, we're gonna try it again, guys. We had some technical difficulty at lane 3 and 4, so we'll just do the whole thing again.
My cars. I can't sit down because well, I guess I should put this car right here because it's less wide. Alright.
All right, here we go, guys.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, lane 4.
Lane 4.
Truck is going
Let's see the truck real quick. Bring it down. Let's see it.
right here.
Let me focus for a second on the truck. All right, guys. Was that called the Eliminator?
What?
Is it called the Eliminator?
No.
Oh, Intimidator?
No. Hollinator.
Hollinator. All right, so that's the Hollinator, and I believe that's one of mine. So I've got a guy going on to the A main, I guess.
Sure.
Right, Nate?
Yeah.
All right, that was the first heat race of the night, guys. Got another heat race coming up. Just give us a minute, and Nate will tell you what we've got. Next week, we're going to do a way bigger one, so we're going to actually probably do a 40-car race next Friday night. We might even get a whole case of Hot Wheels. Tell us what you think, and if you'd like to see a longer race, or comment below. All right.
Lane 1, VW Bug race car. Lane 2, 2018 Camaro SS. Lane 3, Corvette Lane 4, Shelby GT 500 Mustang. Lane 5, another Shelby GT 500 Mustang, and fantasy car. So 3, 2, 1.
That was a close one, lane 6.
That's fantasy car 1.
Bring that over and let us see what it was real quick. Let me get a good shot of that. All right, whose car was that?
Yours.
All right, guys, I am 2 in a row tonight. He's moving on to the A main as well.
Your cars in the B main so far, and my cars.
All right, this is going
So
to.
I've got
Are we moving to the B right now?
no, I've got 6 cars in the B main,
Okay.
and Dad's got 4 and 2 in the A main. So these are going to be the final races.
Is this
I'm
B?
in lane 1 and 2.
All right, Nate's in lane 1 and 2.
Alright. We got a Fairlady 2000 Nissan. Lane 1, lane 2. This is a Honda City 2 Turbo. Fantasy car. And a Golf GTI Volkswagen. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, my car one.
Close race. Lane 1, that was one of Nate's cars. He's headed, show us your car, Nate. Who's headed to A main real quick. Hold on a second, let me get that focused in. It's a nice looking car.
Alright.
Going to the A main.
Okay, so before we start, or actually we're going to do the B mains, then we're going to do...
We got a cool treat for you guys after we do the B main. We're gonna do an all NASCAR feature race. And they're all Jeff Gordon cars. It's all of Nate's favorite of Jeff Gordon's.
3 and 1, 2.
And next Friday night, actually, kind of as a halftime show, we might do a monster truck race.
No.
No? Gonna do another NASCAR race?
NASCAR.
Okay, we're gonna stick with the NASCAR theme.
Probably
Nate
gonna
said.
do a all Dale Jr. race.
Okay,
next week,
all
and
Dale
then the week
Jr.
After that, Junior or Kyle Larson.
All right, so we're gonna stick with the NASCAR theme.
All right. Lane 1, Kobo Camaro, 2018. Lane 2, 2018 SS Camaro. Lane 3, oh wait. Oh, yeah, Dad has more cars than me in this race, which is a problem, actually. I'm gonna put Dad's car on my side. Yeah, I did. So I'm gonna pick this car.
All right.
So lane 3 is my fantasy car. So we're gonna go green in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, my 2018 Camaro.
2018 Camaro one. Let's see it.
Going on
Let me get a.
the A main.
Okay. That's moving on to the
All
A
of
main.
these cars are eliminated.
Those are all out of here.
So let me put these cars down here. My cars are going over here. Alright, now we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 of my cars. And 1, 2, 3 of Dad's cars. So
All right. We've got some more picked out for you. Who's going to the A main? That's the question. We watched the Chili Bowl last night. It was an exciting race. Unfortunately, Larson lost it at the end.
choked. Christopher Bell put a kind of dirty move on him, but it was also Larson's fault. So, because if Larson wouldn't have choked that bad, then Bell wouldn't have been able to even get to his nerve bar to hit him. But
All right, here we go.
Christopher Bell, congrats to Christopher Bell, because he did a good job executing that and not choking like Larson. All right, so lane 1, Datsun 240Z. Lane 2, Corvette. Lane 3, Volkswagen Beetle. And lane 4, we got GT500 Mustang. Lane 5, fantasy car. And lane 6, we got a Volkswagen GTI. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, my Corvette.
Lane 2, looks like it was the Corvette. Let's see it, Nate. Bring it over and let's see it real quick.
This car.
Nice car. All right, guys.
So these are Dad's cars that are sitting right here. And mine are right here. So this car has no one to race with. So I'm just gonna do a single pass, and it's gonna go into the A main with the other cars. That way we have a 6-car A main.
All right. Sounds good.
3, 2, 1, go. All right. They're a front flip too.
That's good. All right, so we move it on to the A main.
Yep. Well, no, we're not.
We're gonna do the halftime show.
Yes, we are.
All right, guys. I hope you're excited. Let me show you again what we
All
got.
right. So
Let me stand up here so you can take a look at these beauties.
1,
All right. There's what we got for the halftime show.
4.
Hope you're gonna enjoy this. These are all Nate's
Saying
favorites.
These two, no, these are all my Jeff Gordon cars.
These are all
So
his Jeff
these
Gordon
two
cars.
are NASCAR Authentics. I don't know if any of you guys know about NASCAR diecast, but these ones have bigger wheels than the Lionel cars. So those are always really fast.
All right. So this will be a little treat for everybody. It's a NASCAR. We're doing a NASCAR race. This will be a heat race.
That's just the A main
Oh, actually an A main. Yep.
because, well, this is going to be the A main. Once all the Jeff Gordon cars race, it's just going to be
Okay.
a race between the fast ones. So 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, like I said, the NASCAR Authentics are fast. This car is going on to the NASCAR A main.
Yep.
We're not doing any B mains. It's just single
Yeah, we're gonna
elimination.
try to keep the time down a little bit and just do a single elimination and go straight on to the A main.
These cars are going over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
All right.
Actually, this car, I'll just let you look at it, but I'm not going to race it because it is a very rare car. It's Jeff Gordon's Martinsville Win car from 2015. 789 start. And you can't see it on this car, but on the big car, it has a bunch of little names on it. So this car is going to
Okay.
go back right here.
All right.
We're going to pick this car.
All right. Looks like we got enough for one more group of cars after this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
Ooh, that was close.
so I'm gonna do a re-race with these two cars because they were really fast.
And it was really close.
Yeah, almost too close to call.
The camera probably caught the winner. I actually thought it was the one that was in lane 4 that won. But we'll go ahead and do a race over, guys.
All right, yeah, Camo car won, so it's going on. Here's Jeff Gordon's Dover Win car from 2014.
All right.
All right, so this one's going to NASCAR main.
And we got one more race.
3, 4, 5, 6. This car is going to be a single pass. So
Okay.
it's just going to transfer straight to the end.
All right.
That'll give us an even number of cars in there. This car right here looks like the car from the 2001 Winston All-Star race that Jeff Gordon used his backup car to win in. That was an awesome race. I watched it today, actually. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. This car from 2015 Drive Dan Hunger car.
All right.
Going to the A, and this car is going to make a single pass.
All right, the rest of them just put over
Transferring
there.
to the A. Okay.
And we're going to move on, guys. Okay. So we going back to the Hot Wheels for the,
No,
we're gonna do the,
NASCAR main.
this is the A main for NASCAR. All right, guys, A main time for NASCAR.
3, 2, 1, go. Fastest car is this one.
Really close. Let's see it. Let's do a close up real quick. Hold on.
This
There we go.
goes into the running for the King of the Hill.
All right.
It's gonna be.
We'll let it race. We'll even let it race against the Hot Wheels. How about that?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
All right, we're gonna move on to the. Hope you guys enjoyed that little halftime show. Now we're moving on to the A main of the Hot Wheels.
1558. All right.
We're gonna move along quickly. And how many Hot Wheels do we have total for the whole A main?
5. Got 6 cars, but we're gonna do whoever wins goes against the winner, or whoever wins goes against this car.
Okay.
And then if whoever wins the race between those two goes against the car for the King of the Hill.
All right, here we go. We got the King of the Hill from last week's race.
We got it. We have a Tuesday night Challenger race
Oh yeah.
that we do for the King of the Hill. Stats cars, lane 5 and 6. My cars in lane 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that shows I start dominating through the B mains.
Nate's been coming on strong in the B mains.
Alright, this is best 2 out of 3. So I'm actually gonna put this card over here. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, Dad won the first one.
All right, it was this guy right here. You're gonna do the best 2 out of 3?
Yep.
All right, so far mine won in the first round. We've got best 2 out of 3 to keep it good and fair. We switched tracks as well.
Well, for my cars, do you want to switch your car?
No, you can leave mine just right where it was at. That's all I find.
Right there.
All right.
Now they're all switch. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, my car won.
All right.
So all of these cars are done now.
Okay,
Is it
and then we'll
these over here?
just do a finale against those two.
Bowl shuffle, kind of like the Chili Bowl.
Yep.
We're gonna switch lanes here.
We're gonna switch the lanes. Sometimes the lanes are one's
So
faster than the other.
whoever wins the next best 2 out of 3 races wins. So
Alright.
there's reset. Neither one of them won any currently. 3, 2, 1, go. My car.
All right,
My car. Even though it says lane 1, I think I won.
Lane 1 obviously won. I saw it. I'm certain that was the case.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Your car won. But I want to do a rematch.
Do
for the
one more
first
rematch.
race because my car, I
Alright.
thought won. So
Do it again.
3, 2, 1, go. My car won. Alright. Now, Dad's car is out. It's going against Jeff Gordon now. So this car is going to be lane 6. It's the best 2 out of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. My black car won. Okay, now Gordon's car is going to be lane 6. My car is going to be lane 1. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, black car won.
All right.
Gordon car is out now. Go against the Borla Mustang.
All right. Let's let them
King of the
see
Hill.
it. This is the. Hold on. Keep it there. This is the King of the Hill currently.
Hasn't been raced in about 2 weeks, so
That's a
it's gonna
Borla.
be in lane 6. This car's gonna be in lane 1.
Best 2 out of 3
3,
races.
2, 1, go. One Mustang.
All
First
right.
victory.
The King of the Hill won. Okay, best 2 out of 3 guys. Will he keep his?
3, 2, 1, go. What am I saying?
Borla.
Alright, and
All
my
right.
car is still King of the Hill.
All right, let's see the Borla from last race is still the King of the Hill.
2018, 2019 league victory lane.
All right, let me bring it over here so you guys can see. the King of the Hill. That's it, guys. And
go ahead and finish what you're saying. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you watched till the end to see who was the winner. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace out.